Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today will be the last vlog about my Beijing trip last year. So if you guys come to Beijing, you need to come to 798 Art District. It's less well known to tourists, but very much well known in the local scene. It's just a place, an old factory that's been converted into an art gallery. There's lots of art galleries, museums, and lots of murals to be seen. And that day that we were there, I didn't know, but it was the final day of China Fashion Week. The first thing we got there, what we wanted to do was to have some lunch, and we found this quaint little place. It's like the owners live there as well, but they're also a restaurant, and they've one in Douyin, which is TikTok, most popular restaurant for 2024. I think I don't know what category, but yeah, it's here. And I kind of don't even know the name of this place. I can't remember. We just found them randomly, me and my sister, the night before, and their best dish is actually braised pork belly. You have to try it. So this is how this place looks like from the outside. So if you do go there, this is the front door. Don't really know. Yeah, I can't remember if I have any instructions how to get there. But it's directly opposite the big long wall of murals that you can see. These round things, they're actually toilets. But anyway, here we are upstairs where the dining room is. And this is their famous braised pork belly. They also made and recommended for us their steamed fish and tofu dish, which is really, really yummy. And then after our meal, our lunch, we went to walk around the place. There's loads and loads of little alleyways of vintage shops, actually. So many vintage shops, and also so many artisan stores and tiny little coffee shops or cake shops or little tea shops. And then as we're walking around, we bumped into, we came upon this little shop. So she is like a wholesaler of garments, but it's basically like sample sale. There's so many gorgeous and cheap things, but in this place there's also like really fancy shops that sell like tailor-made traditional wear, tailor-made evening gown, and like couture level stuff. And like, I walked in, but I was told that I was not allowed to film or video, so I don't have any of those to show you. And this is a leather artisan shop, but the shopkeeper wasn't very friendly, so he kind of told my sister off. So I could hear him shouting, so I didn't go in to do more filming, but the things look interesting. Anyway, and then we got to this square where there's loads of cafes, even more cafes, and lots of art gallery and museums. And the art gallery are like um, sort of interactive type art, and yes, quite a lot of them are, you have to buy a ticket to go in, but also there are also some free art galleries as well where the entry fee is free. while we were just sitting around, this TikToker, I suppose, or influencer came and started to ask me if he can be friends. And then I guess we just started talking. He's got a guy filming for him, so he's obviously filming this as a content for his channel or account. And then we came to this shop. Oh my goodness, like this is the ostrich bag that I will buy. As I've said before somewhere in my other videos, I don't particularly like ostrich leather, but this bag I love. This shop is called Duan Mu Lian Jin, and it's all this wood. See the trims around the lid of the bag? That's all wood lacquered, and the bag lid, it actually sort of slides open. It doesn't open like a flap, and this whole bag is made of lacquered wood, and it's apparently a very, very ancient technique used in Tang Dynasty times. This is an area for children. Isn't it so cute? And then we came across this place, and then we realized it's like the last day of China Fashion Week, and there's like a sample sale going on. So yes, of course I bought something. So many murals, this whole entire wall. But yeah, so you guys feel free to fast forward this part of the video. And then on another day, our host brought us to these markets, so we could see what haggling at a market is like, I suppose. So I don't have much to show because a lot of the stall holders actually told us not to video. I did manage to get some videos in, but let's see what they are selling. Oh, I was haggling for this little tortoise. It's actually a huge, huge market, but this is only a snippet of what the market is, or the kind of stalls that are in there. And then outside of the market is a technology fair. And you've all seen this robotic dog. My goodness, it's so funny. We're also fascinated by this robotic dog. But did you see that little doll at the back, that little robot? It's actually a robot that they use in restaurants to make orders. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye!